Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be checking out another NYX product. This is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. Yep, this is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. I have the color TBM03 Brunette. This stuff is made in Taiwan and NYX is out of Los Angeles. This stuff retails for $9 and it has a very regular looking mascara brush on it. And it's quite a large brush as well. On the NYX website, it lists a bunch of different colors. You can get black, blonde, brunette, chocolate, and espresso. Chocolate is more of a red brown, and this brunette color is more of an ash brown, which is why I went for it. The product description says, no shame in wishing for a strong, beautiful brow. It tames and tints brows for natural looking wear. It leaves brows feeling soft while completely maintaining control. I'm gonna do a full 12-hour wear test today. I haven't done anything with my brows yet today, as you can see, but the rest of my face is on. Normally I would fill in my brows with some sort of brow pencil, but because we're testing out a brow gel, I think it makes sense to not, just so you can see a better idea of like what it actually does for color and tint. So let me go ahead and apply this brow gel. It's an interesting choice, I think, to go with a full-size mascara wand because my brows aren't super large. I feel like if this was any bigger, it would be just way too big. Alright, so there is what application looks versus nothing at all. What do you guys think? Gonna go ahead and do the other brow. And actually my brows look pretty symmetrical even without filling them in with a pencil. So the formula is quite wet. I would say it's more like wet than waxy. Although it does kind of leave your brows feeling a little bit waxy, so it feels like they could stay in place. I feel like the hold is not the best. You can see I was really brushing my brows straight up, but they do kind of fall back into a natural place. And I do think it deposited a good amount of color, and I think the color for me is a pretty good match. I like the ashiness and I like the darkness of the color, so great. I'll hop over to natural light, let you take a look, and then check back in at the end of the night. So here we go. Just finished working out. We're doing couch to 5K and it's intense, but eyebrows looking good. Full face of makeup. It's the end of the night and dang, my brows look just as good as they did this morning. No complaints, still a ton of color, still held a great shape. The brows, again, aren't like perfectly standing up or anything. They have kind of fallen into a natural, nice position, but I do really like it a lot. Again, the color looks just super great, super natural. If I touch my brows, none of that color really transfers off or anything, which is also really nice. We did work out today, so I was really hot and sweaty. It's just a hot day overall today, and again, just held on really, really well, especially considering that I didn't shape them at all with an eyebrow pencil. So for $9, I really don't think you can go wrong with this brow mascara. I think part of the reason why I kind of critique it is because the wand is just so large. Like, why can't they just like make it half the size so it's more similar to the Glossier Boy Brow or something, with just a tiny little nub that you can get up in there, especially if you have thinner brows. But that being said, even though I complain about it and I kind of hold it against it, application was absolutely perfect. It was a breeze. There was no extra struggle, not a lot of cleanup to do afterwards. So overall, recommend it. I would give it a 5 out of 5. You can't beat the price, the color selection. I think it's a really, really solid product that a lot of people can access just at the drugstore. So really good. I would recommend it. I would repurchase it. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below for more beauty videos from me. If you want to hang out with me, chat kind of casually, I've got a link to my Discord server down below. Join and chat and hang out, see what I get up to. I'm also streaming on Twitch on Mondays. If you want to just kind of hang out and chill, again, you're welcome to join me. What else is going on? A huge shout out to my patrons who help bring these beauty videos to you guys. A huge shout out to you guys for watching. And with that, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye.